The H-bridge motor driver calculator MOSFET selection helps you calculate power dissipation in your motor driver MOSFETs. Let's look at the 4 input fields you need to fill in. First is motor voltage in volts, where you enter your system voltage. Next is motor current in amps, which is your motor's operating current. Third is MOSFET RDS on in milliohms, the on resistance from your MOSFET datasheet. Finally, PWM frequency in kilohertz, your switching frequency. For this example, I'm using 24 volts for motor voltage, 5 amps for motor current, 10 milliohms for MOSFET RDS on, and 20 kilohertz for PWM frequency. After clicking Calculate Power Dissipation, we get 4 results. Conduction loss shows 0.5 watts, which is the power lost when current flows through the MOSFET's on resistance. Switching loss is 0.12 watts, the power lost during turn-on and turn-off transitions. Total dissipation combines these at 0.62 watts. Since this is relatively low, heatsink required shows not required, meaning natural convection cooling is sufficient for this MOSFET. This calculator streamlines MOSFET selection for reliable H-bridge designs. Find the link in the description below.